Oh my goodness, I take back everything I just said, Sephora. I'm so sorry. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an absolutely lovely day. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. I honestly sometimes wonder how many times in my life in the past 2 years I have said the word unboxing. I'm sure it's far too many to count and I probably wouldn't even want to know. But today's unboxing, there's another one for the counter, is going to be of the Sephora Play for the month of August. Now this is the regular Sephora Play, nothing weird or fancy about it, just the plain old Sephora Play. Last month I did like 15,000 different Sephora Play unboxings because they released like all of these boxes. Was that last month or this month? Time is really hard for me to keep track of. But this month I just have the regular old $10 Sephora Play box for you guys. Oh dear. What? I just took like a good survey of my desk right here and I literally can't see anything. It's just buried. Okay. All right, that was a bit like searching for the grail or something to find this box cutter, but let's go ahead and cut on into this. So like I said, Sephora Play is a $10 a month subscription, and inside of here you get 5 to 6 beauty sample product things. Also on top here you get a little pamphlet and it has a nifty little card that will get you 50 extra bonus points for Beauty Insider points. I completely blanked on what the entire program is called. And you can save these points and get yourself a very little something something. All right, this month's theme is Beauty Schooled, and oh boy, that composition notebook theme in the background there almost gives me hives. Composition notebooks and I have not gotten along for a long time. When I was in school, you didn't have just fun summer break where you got to do what you want. Oh no. Instead, you had a reading list where you had to read like 5 different books and you had to write in your composition notebook summaries of each of the chapters and then an analysis for each of the chapters, and at the end you had to write a whole big paper about each of the books. If you can't tell, I'm slightly bitter about it. Anywho, that was many years ago, so let's go ahead and move on into here. So inside, what they're going to show you is all of the products and a little bit about them, but I don't want to reveal too much of that. Oh boy, there's a quiz in here. We might have to do that later. Spoiler alert, it doesn't go very well. So like I said, Sephora Play is a $10 a month subscription, and inside here you're gonna get a little beauty bag filled with like 5 to 6 beauty samples. Alrighty, so every single month it comes with a little baggie with a different little picture on it. This one says Back to Beauty School, and it has all of your beauty essentials like a brush and a pencil and mascara and a ruler and a fan brush. Alrighty, reaching in here, I like to get either the perfume sample or the little foil packet out of the way. Those are considered kind of like the extra in the bag, and this month I think I'm feeling a foil packet. Oh, I'm actually feeling 2 kind of foil packets stuck together. So this is from Way Hair Care. This is a shampoo and conditioner that's supposed to be volumizing, and it has just come in this little side-by-side packet stuck together. I think I just talked about in my Allure Beauty unboxing how much I cannot stand shampoo and conditioner in foil packets for some reason, but at least this is like the bonus item and it's not one of the actual like items. Alrighty, next up in here, I'm feeling a squeezy tube, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that out. Ooh, okay, so next up here we have something from Living Proof. This is the TBD multitasking. I'm really not sure what on earth that sound was. Multitasking styler, and this is a styling cream for your hair. So far I'm seeing 2 hair care items in here and I hope that trend doesn't continue. I'm not a huge fan of getting hair care stuff in boxes, but at least this little tube here does seem to be pretty full of product. It's not like skimping out on us. Digging around in here for the next product, I'm feeling another squeezy tube. I'm wondering if it's another hair care thing. Okay, no it's not. This is from Origins. This is the Original Skin Retexturizing Mask with Rose Clay. Ooh. One of my favorite masks of all time was made with rose clay, and I can't find it anymore because I think it's actually sold in like the UK or something. And I just randomly happened to find a bottle at TJ Maxx of all places. And I've looked it up and I cannot find it anywhere. So I'm pretty excited about this actually. I really want to give this a try. I like the packaging on this too, that really pale pink like with the little gray stripies. I know that packaging has no effect on the actual product itself, but you know, it's cute to look at. Alrighty, we still have a few products left here at the bottom. I'm gonna go for this little guy right here. Ah, okay, so this is from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is a clear brow gel. I like the little packaging it comes in here. Very cute and shiny. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and give this a try. I never really use brow gels or anything. I just use a powder and an angle brush because I'm lazy. But a brow gel would definitely help keep my like crazy eyebrows in place. Is it strange that I actually really like the feeling of brushing through my eyebrows with a spoolie? I don't know, it feels good. It's very relaxing. So I'm liking the brow gel. I definitely hope hope there are a couple more makeup products in here. Ooh, I can already feel it like hardening on my eyes. That's kind of a strange sensation. Next in here, I'm feeling two little cardboardy thingies. I'm gonna go for this one first. Ooh, okay, we have something from Makeup Forever in here, and this is a Artist Rouge Cream. And this is a creamy, high pigmented lipstick, and I guarantee you it's in the shade red because I don't think Sephora Play knows any other color of lipstick exists. Oh my goodness, I take back everything I just said, Sephora. This is a beautiful color and it is not red. I'm so sorry. I thought for sure that this was going to be a little red lipstick because Sephora just loves to put in little red lipsticks. But this is the color of my lipstick. It is super duper pretty. It's like a nice dusty kind of purple rose. Ooh, that is very, very creamy too. That looks really nice. I'm already wearing a liquid lipstick, and instead of trying to like chisel this stuff off, I'm just gonna kind of put some of this on top of it. It's actually a bit similar in tone. This one is a bit darker, but still kind of similar. When I do that and kind of like breathe in air through the lipstick, it tastes like candy, but it tastes like a very, very... Sorry about that, my battery died. Where were we? Candy. I would just like to quickly point out that this is my face when I say the word candy. Okay, sorry, carry on. Yes, candy. This tastes like a very, very particular candy, but I cannot remember what it is. I probably look absolutely terrifying doing that. Anyway, I definitely think this is a pretty color and it went on nice and smooth. I'm proud of you, Sephora. Something a little bit different. You're stepping out of your comfort zone. That makes me very happy. And one final thing left in here. Ooh, okay. So this is a classic. This is the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit. And now I'm trying desperately to remember if I have even tried this bronzer ever. I really can't remember if I have ever tried this bronzer. If so, it has been in like a sample size like this. I've never actually purchased a full-size Hoola bronzer before, but this just comes in a tiny little package here, and the Hoola bronzer is inside. Ooh, it's really, really soft to the touch, like super soft to the touch. I feel like you might have to use a pretty gentle hand with this just because it's so soft. But there it is, swatched on my wrist. It does feel really nice. It went on there pretty well. If I have not tried this before, which I honestly cannot remember if I have or have not, I have a really bad memory, then I am excited to try it for the first time. But if I have already tried it, then I'm excited to use it again, because it does look like it'll be a pretty nice bronzer, which I mean, I think it's like one of their best-selling things like ever, so I'm sure it's a good bronzer. Okie dokie, let me go ahead and take a look back at this pamphlet really fast and see if we missed anything. Now, there is a little quiz on here that is supposed to rate you as a makeup apprentice, a standard scholar, or a skincare student. Strand, not Strand scholar, not standard. I can't read. I'm trying to do this quiz here, but it's a lot of work. I gotta write down all my answers because the different letters mean different things, or what's happening? 1, A, 3, 2, C, 1, 4, God. 3, B, 1, 5, oh, 4, A, 1, 6. Alright guys, I finally got through the little quiz here, and apparently I got 7 points, which means I am a makeup apprentice, and I do believe that could be an appropriate score. And then it suggests that I take my makeup game to the next level by attending one of Sephora's 45 to 90-minute beauty classes available for free at any store. Actually, I didn't know those existed. That's kind of interesting. Okie dokie, so there was my quiz. Alrighty guys, so that was everything I have for you all today. The unboxing and Sephora judging me on my makeup skill. Let me know what you guys thought about this month's box down below in the comments. I'm actually okay with this month's box. I still kind of like harp on Sephora a little bit to maybe every now and then just throw in something full size just to keep it, you know, like fresh and exciting a little bit. Like in Ipsy, I just got the full-size Huda Beauty liquid lipstick, so like every now and then Sephora, I beg you, throw in something that's full size or even like travel size, just something. But overall, I think this box was okay, but I would love to know all of your all's thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. All of them are appreciated. And that is all I have for you guys today, so just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. And don't forget that we do have a giveaway going on right now. If you would like to win a year of BoxyCharm or Ipsy, you can follow the link down below in the description and that will take you to the giveaway video. And other than that, I hope you guys have an absolutely fantastic day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye! I want candy. Little tip for any of you guys doing a Sephora Play unboxings: if you want a thumbnail with your box in it but you don't want any stickers on it, you can just turn the box inside out, and then voila, a sticker-free box.